Good morning, friends. I have been, oops, gotta change my shoes. I have been filming but not uploading. Uploading and editing does take a long time, so once I get these up, I'll be happier. Still part of cleanup. I didn't clean up yesterday. By the time my garbage was emptied and I got it back, it was already high 80s. It'll be 95 today. It's almost October. It is too hot. Just chasing a spider web here. I still have cleanup. Leaves. Gotta take down those sunflowers and do some trimming over here. Pruning? Trimming? Cutting back? Cutting down? Those words. And here I go. I gotta protect these. Plus I have to have surgery. Did you see this one close? It's so painful in the mornings. Anyway, I got a consult next week to get scheduled for that. Hopefully sooner rather than later. All right. Let's have a look. Hi, sweetheart. You're just a beautiful baby. You are so pretty. I love me a hibiscus. I got my bug juice on. Oh, that's not okay. I won't get him. I don't even know if these bloom. The hydrangeas. What's going by? Street sweeper? Anyway, I'm gonna work here. Try to get some of that off, and I want to get this trimmed out. It's done blooming, so there's no real value for the butterflies anymore. The butterflies are enjoying the Greg's Mist, and get more of the aptini out of there, or the what is it called? A rose, sun rose, yeah. And that'll probably be enough for me today. And I really probably need to get my blower out and start moving leaves around. Although there'll be plenty more. Every one of those grape leaves is going to drop. I'm not putting my ponds back in progress yet because I'm going to go back up to Washington maybe in a month. I actually promised my grandsons I'd do trick-or-treat with them. I don't think they'll remember and hold me to it, but they might. They're 9. They want me to wear some granny costume. Things I would do for my grandchildren. All right, let me get going. Let's see if you can see what's going on for a bit. That's what I want to avoid, is double work. I hate doing things twice. You guys know I don't really like to be in the camera on my body because it's, you know, could be better. I'm thinking about dragging my garbage can over there rather than taking that stuff, putting it in a bag, and then putting it into the garbage can. That's what I think I'm going to do. was saying that if you didn't hear it, and I don't have my microphones on, that if I had to do it again, I would take them down while they're still moist so they stay together rather than this crumbly stuff. I was out of time and I did cut them right before I left because I really couldn't stand the idea of cutting them since they were still producing, but that's what I would do. I'm not a no-till person, but that just the smallest of the sunflowers is pulling up way too much dirt, so I'm going to lop them off at the neck, cut them. I didn't last year, I kept them all, but I don't need this many big long sticks. And oh, do you see how many seeds must have dropped? Oh boy. And then I'm going to let them die naturally. They're very easy to pull off once they're dead. Be right back. Like the roots are still alive on most of them. They did have water. They just dried out as a natural part of life. But the one in the back was still alive. One on the side here is, and still has a flower on it. I would say it's easier to cut those simply because they stay together better. They don't turn into a powdery mess. I'm out of garbage space. I'll have to wait till after Thursday's pickup. Luckily they pick up twice a week. And then I'll get the rest put in there. I'll cut them down today. And I'm out of energy. Oh man. It's a lot harder than I thought or remembered. I actually don't remember it being that hard. And I used to cut them down when they were still green, so maybe that's the difference.